Hey, welcome to our refrigerator service in Stockton. We understand the inconvenience a malfunctioning refrigerator can cause. That's why we've made it our mission to offer prompt, efficient, and professional repair services to get your appliance back up and running in no time. Our team consists of experienced and certified technicians who possess the skills and expertise to handle a wide range of refrigerator issues. Whether it's a faulty compressor, a malfunctioning thermostat, or a leaking problem, we have the knowledge and tools to diagnose and resolve the issue effectively. We take pride in our commitment to customer satisfaction. From the moment you reach out to us, you can expect friendly and attentive service. We prioritize clear communication, ensuring you are informed every step of the way, from diagnosis to repair completion. With our 24/7 availability, you can trust that we'll be there when you need us most. Whether it's a weekday afternoon or a weekend emergency, you can count on us to provide timely and reliable service. Thank you for considering us for your refrigerator repair needs. We look forward to serving you and exceeding your expectations with our exceptional service and expertise. Contact us today to schedule your repair service and let us help you keep your refrigerator running smoothly. So, thank you.